Here's a little bird that fell out of the tree not too long ago. And let's get some light here. This little bird here fell out of a tree not too long ago, and I've nursed it back to health. And so I feed it. Now watch this. I dip it in water. I take its little food, and it just loves eating it. Get another little piece. Dip it in the water. This bird loves to eat. Get some more. Little baby bird here. Let me do it really close to there so you guys can all watch this little bird eat. Which is a nice little bird. Here we go. Uh-oh. I didn't really put it on his mouth far enough. Here you go. Wait a minute. There you got it. Get some crust here. Let's get this little piece. Come eat for the people. Eat for him. He doesn't want it. I think I filled him up too full. Anyway, so that's a little bird. Little sparrow. Say hello, bird. Praise the Lord. Well, here's your bird. Now I'll put him back in here. He doesn't want to let go. He likes hanging out on my finger. Looks like he wants some more food. Let's get it a little bit more. There he goes. Alright. Now I'm going to just set him down. Sometimes I have to make him sit down.